How's it going, YouTube? Today we are working on a 2024 Honda Accord. We're going to be taking off the rear door panel and the front door panel. All you will need is a plastic trim tool piece and a Phillips bit screwdriver. We're going to have one screw underneath, but we're also going to need to unplug our switch up top. These switches are meant to be taken out from the back, but I've noticed it's actually easier to take off from the front. There's actually a tab up here that you're supposed to kind of take it off to the back, which I'll show you guys. But I've noticed taking these off that if you just kind of weasel it out, it's actually easier to take it out from the front versus trying to squeeze in from the back, and then it'll kind of just pop free, just like so. You're just gonna have a single tab on the back, just push it in, and it comes right out, just like so. Just click on top. But this switchboard, you'll see the tab is up top, so it's supposed to go in and then click in, but I've noticed it's kind of hard to stick like a flathead or anything like that on the back. I've just noticed it's easier to kind of push this in and then pull up, and then you unclick the back for the actual window switch. Next, we're gonna have the screw. It's actually underneath the grab handle, so we'll go ahead and pull that out. Just one screw holding it on. All right, now that we have our screw out and our window switch off, now we actually pop the panel off the door. Once again, just kind of grab your plastic tool, kind of start from the bottom, and just kind of pry around. You are going to have this plastic piece up top, which you don't have to take apart. Usually I do because there's just like one or two clips holding it in. Just kind of start up top and just kind of get it out of the way. Like so. It takes 2 seconds. You're just going to have one or two tabs holding it on. But it just kind of helps to get that clip out from underneath. Now that we have all the plastic ones popped off, there's some metal ones up top near this door handle, which sometimes give you a pain. So just kind of be careful with that. Just make sure you have all the plastic clips popped. And then you might struggle a little bit with the door handle because, like I said, it's metal clips. So just kind of be careful with that. You don't want to bring the door handle off with you. So just kind of work around it and just kind of bear with it. Sometimes it can be a pain. Like this one's trying to be. Alright, there it goes. Like I said, you have a metal clip up top, so just kind of grab that out, put it back on the door panel. But that's the rear door panel. Now we'll move on to the front. Alright, now we're on the front door panel, kind of same process. Start at the front, just kind of weasel it, try to pop it free. And like I said, you can use a Phillips, or not Phillips, a flathead screwdriver, but you don't really want to because it kind of risks damaging the leather. So try to use plastic as much as you can. Kind of pop that free. Get the tab off the back. We'll kind of pop the one up top up here. Just like so. Just two more tabs once again. This one's stuck behind, so you have to go back and grab that one, but it's just two tabs. Start at the bottom. Actually, grab your screw. Already forgot it. Same place as the back door. Alright, now we'll start at the bottom of the door. Make our way around. And this one will have plastic tabs around the sides as well. When you get to the top, you'll have those metal ones. So just kind of take your time with it and just make sure not to break anything. And there you go. So that is the back door and the front door panel on a 2024 Honda Accord. Thanks for watching.